Hello everyone, welcome back again. This is Pamela's Cooking and Food. Yes, today we are going to make some delicious and healthy corned beef jollof rice. I have here my corned beef, my seasonings, my blended tomatoes. I have also here my blended garlic, onion, pepper and ginger. And here's my rice. I have some cabbage and some chopped carrots. So these are the main ingredients I need, and of course I need oil. I'm going to use olive oil to cook this recipe. So if you are new here, please click on the button and subscribe. Click on the notification so that anytime I upload new videos, you'll be the first person to know and join, or when I'm live or I'm doing premiere. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys for your support. I really appreciate all of you. So let's not wait too much time. Let's dive into our cooking now. And to start, I will add in here some olive oil, enough for my stew and my rice. Should be enough. Yes, my pan is already heated, so all I'm going to do is add in my blended pepper, ginger, onion and garlic. Yep. And with this recipe, you don't need to overcook your stew. Yes, I don't like cooking mine so much. So allow this to cook for like 3-4 minutes, and then I'll add my tomatoes. And this is how my onion and pepper looks like now after 3 minutes. So I'll go ahead and add my fresh tomatoes blended in. Very easy. Give it a good stir and allow it to cook for 5 to 7 minutes, and then I'm going to add my seasonings in very quick. And my lovely people, this is my stew so far. It's smelling good. So all I will do now is add in my season, and with the season you can use any season of your choice, but in mine I have nutmeg, I have curry powder, I have rosemary, I have shrimp cube and all-purpose season. I also have some chicken season. I took a bit of every one of them, and my stew is smelling good. So allow it to cook again, and then we will continue. And this is my stew so far. You can see that it's really cooking. So I tasted now and there was no salt, so I'll go ahead and add salt. And I'm also going to add some of the corned beef directly in now. And this is my stew so far. So I'm going to wash my rice and then just add it, and this is smelling good, delicious. And before I add in my rice, here is my cabbage. I have water, so I'm going to season or add salt to my cabbage. Just wash it in water like this so that you can have the taste very good when it's cooked in your this is how I do it. I just remove it simply and then okay. And then I'll allow it to be in here. So I'm going to wash my rice now. I'll now go ahead and add my rice in. My stew is yummy. So I'll not add any water now. I'll just allow this to cook. And I've also removed the cabbage from the water, the salt water. So I'll also add it here. This is how I do it. Better than me. We may yes, but if you want to ban, set that. So I'll allow this to steam for a while, and then I'm going to taste again and see if the salt is okay, and then we will add the other ingredients while we are going. And you have to keep stirring in between just to avoid burning. And at this time, the heat should be on medium or low so that you don't get your jollof rice burnt. So this is it so far. And this is my rice so far. I have this chicken stock, and with this chicken stock, anytime you cook your chicken, you can store it and then be using it. So I'll add 1 cup of my homemade chicken stock in and then give it a good stir. Let's look at my rice. I need to add a little bit more of water. I'll also add 1 cup of water. It should be enough for my rice. So I'll just stir now and taste the salt if it's fine. This is smelling good and it's very healthy. And with the veggies, you can add any veggie of your choice, but do give cabbage a try. You will love it. I think I need a little bit of salt. This should be enough. And give it a stir. And I'll allow this to cook again. We will be stirring in between. Guys, this is my rice so far, so I'm going to add in my carrots because I don't want my carrots to overcook. But if you want to add it at the same time with the cabbage, it's also fine. But this is how I do mine, and it's very nice. Yeah. So allow this to cook again. My rice is almost done. Stir too much, but your flame should be low. If not, your rice will burn. And then just look at this. It's looking lovely. Our last ingredient to come in is the corned beef, and then my food is ready. So let's keep going. And at this stage, I'm going to use baking sheets to cover my rice, so that the vapor will cook the rice for me. I don't need to stress too much. So this is how I do it. Just leave it like this and then be stirring, not too much but in between. This is my rice so far. This is looking good. Just look at this. And because the flame is low, you can see the canzo where I like most. It's not that burnt. You can see it's looking fine. So I'll go ahead and add my corned beef him. And now ye baby, oh, ye baby. Just look at this. The kids are going to love this today because I've not made this recipe for a very long time. And so they are going to enjoy today. This is it, guys. My corned beef jollof rice. And with the veggies, if you don't like it, you can leave it, but do try with the veggies. And you can use any veggie you like, but I like mine with cabbage and carrots, and it's so nice. So we'll wait for a while and then we are going to serve ourselves. And guys, this is the end result. Just look at my rice, nicely done. So thank you. I believe the process of making this jollof rice, you can also give it a try, and I believe you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much. Keep staying in touch, and please support me by watching my videos to the end, and I'll be very grateful.